It's recording. There's a fish on the end. It's on. It's on. It's on. There's a fish on the end of this. What is it?
Wait.
Papa, is it extended?
Grab the net.
It's pulling the boat.
This way.
Hello. This is hilarious. The fish is pulling the boat the other way. It's probably a little. Hey, Papa, go on Devin's dock.
All right, come on.
Wait, I'm trying. Okay,
on.
you ready? I'm trying.
Damn fish is gonna be dead. Turn this way.
I'm trying.
Turn.
Daddy, just grab it. Daddy, get over here. Get it. Get it. Do I have him still? Did I lose him? No, I got him. Oh my gosh. It's a bluegill. Hey, here. Oh, that for a bluegill. Okay, I'm going to get my musky rod. Yep. This stinking little bluegill dragged my boat. What the heck? He's peeing. I be peeing my pants too.
I will shit all over your parade.
I was gonna go for a proper release. It's recording. It's recording. Wow, I'll be able to be impressed.
You only had no teeth in your mouth. You fit right in.
Oh, guys, I have a fish. Yeah, I do. My bobber's going. Yeah, I do.
Bring it in.
My boater is not going anywhere.
Going that way. Keep it coming.
Yeah, because the...
Don't stop. Just keep coming.
Oh, we have an issue. Houston, we have a problem. Papa, I'm turning. Oh, crap, I'm turning the wrong way. My boat!
Look, this is not funny. I'm not going to get it.
I'm turning it!
He's trying to turn, but hold on. Well,
I got it! My motor... I'm going backwards.
try reverse. No, you're not. Come on. This way.
Oh, guys, we have an issue. The thing's trapped.
He is done. He got the line.
Another bluegill. But this one caused chaos. Yee-hoo!